Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a special treat. We're gonna go ahead and cook the Blove Smackalicious sauce from Amazon for $24.99. So here is the items that you need for the seasoning packet. You're gonna need garlic, a pickled ginger, a red onion, some Coke, vinegar, butter, and a cup of water. So yes, I have all these products right here, and for the butter you're supposed to get unsweetened or unsalted, but I had salted because that's what was in my freezer, so I'm going to use what I have. So yeah, I only had this much of red onion, so I added some white onion as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So now we're just going to go ahead and melt the 4 sticks of butter in the pan. The recipe requires a half medium sweet onion thinly sliced. So this is how much onion I'm using. So you don't have to use this much onion, but I wanted vegetables in every bite. So yeah, they're thinly sliced. And so we're going to go ahead and chop up our ginger, and it requires 3/4 cup of pickled ginger. But as you can tell in Blove's recipe, when she cooks a sauce, she adds as much as she wants, and that's what you could do with this recipe. So now that the butter is melted, we're going to go ahead and add the red onion, the white onion, and the ginger, and we're going to also add the seasoning packet. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the minced garlic. On the packet it says 3/4 cups, but this is more like a 1/2 cup of minced garlic. And we're going to also add the whole seasoning packet into the pot. We're going to go ahead and stir the mixture. Make sure there's no clumps, no bumps, no little powdery little bubbles. And we're just going to go ahead and stir that before we add the rest of the ingredients. So now we're going to go ahead and add the Coke. It requires 4 ounces of Coke, but I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball it because I don't want it to be too sweet, and I'm not sure if I wanted Coke in it or not, because that is optional. But the Coke makes it go to a whole nother level, the Coke and the ginger. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and add my vinegar, which requires 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of water and then stir it around and bring it up to a boil until the vegetables is translucent. Boiling, and it is really done. So the vegetables are translucent. It's a little foamy at the top, and I'm thinking it's because of the Coke, But you can go ahead and turn the fire down on low and cook it a little bit longer if you don't want the foam on the top. But that's what I did. I just turned the fire off and then let it sit for a little while. And then I added it to my bowl. But baby, when I tell you this sauce is good, it is good. I was kind of skeptical because she kept saying that it was a little sweet, but it's really not that sweet. You get more heat than sweet, but this sauce is really, really good, and I really, really like it. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and eat half of it and then store the rest. So every time I have me a seafood boil, baby, I got me some Smackalicious sauce, okay? So this is what it looks like after I placed it in the bowl. And yes, don't it look delicious? And it was delicious, okay? So this is how I stored it. I stored it in 2 containers. So you see, I really didn't eat much. I had like 4 clusters of crab legs that I ate last night. And I'm going to put one of these big ones inside of the freezer and leave the other one out because I'm going to be making these lobster tails that's in this little pink bag and some shrimp later on today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.